Hey you guys, what's good? This is your boy Mato MTL, and today we're going to be reviewing another Nike and Laika Studios collaboration. This sneaker, as you might be able to tell from the family behind me, is one more complete, and that's thanks to the Jordan 15 Kubos. Without further ado, I just want to jump straight into these sneakers because they are super beautiful. Now, I'm gonna preface this. They're not my favorite sneaker in the Nike and Laika collaboration line. Actually, I'm gonna bring up an old video review where I said that the Nike Air Max 1 Susans are the best realized collaboration between Laika and Nike. To say, I might go out on record for this, it might be the best collaboration that Nike has made with Laika. Now, that doesn't take away from my grails, and those, of course, as per my t-shirt, which is Laika related but not Kubo related, these guys are still my grails, still one of the most beautifully executed shoes. And then of course you've got the box trolls. Box trolls, great materials, great quality materials, great thought process that went into each part of the shoe. The cobblestone exterior, the sort of sugar sack bags, the worn distressed leather, the cheese insoles, I mean, the packaging as well. All these sneakers have great thought put into them, and I highly respect that from Nike and Laika. Now, we have another sneaker added to the family, and that guy is right behind me. So these are the Jordan 15 Kubo and the two strings. Beautiful details, subtle details. I wouldn't say it has the most thought and changes and modifications put into it to reflect its collaboration with the films and the spirit of the films. I do believe it contains the aesthetic, which, taken from like a stealth black Jordan 15, already has that aesthetic, so not much modification needed to be done there. But in creating this neoprene upper on both of the sneakers, we were able to get a little bit more of a tech wear, almost ninja, martial arts style vibe done to the shoe. This sneaker represents Kubo's grandfather's clan, which is actually the bad guys in the film. And as you can see here, this is the monster that Kubo's grandfather takes, the form that he takes anyways, in the ultimate battle that Kubo has against him. The left sneaker symbolizes the Beetle clan, or the good guys clan in the film, which is Kubo's father's clan. So beginning with the structure of each shoe, it's got a sort of neoprene inner/upper with the embroidery of the clan, the bad guys on the right foot, and the good guys on the left, followed by a little leather pull tab, which is connected to the next biggest modification on the Jordan 15 in this model. This is the pull tab that is attached to a zipper. Now, Tinker Hatfield recounted having a second chance at the Jordan 15 when he was explaining how he redesigned the Jordan 15 for the Kubo films. So he made them with a neoprene upper and a weatherized zipper. As you pull the zipper down, it reveals a sort of suede type zipper guard on the inside and a mesh liner. Continuing down the sneaker, you have more neoprene and then the traditional Jordan 15 woven exterior panels, as well as the leather mudguard all the way around, and the outsole with a colored blue on the right foot and red on the left foot. Both of the sneakers utilize the same construction and sort of materials, but where it changes is how those things are done on each shoe. Primarily, the changes are noticed on the heel portions of each sneaker. On the left sneaker, you'll notice a leather scoring technique that's done to sort of create the texture that's reminiscent of a beetle's carapace or a beetle's back. In keeping with the same sort of texture and composition of the villain in the film, on the back of this sneaker, there's a sort of shredded leather technique that's been done, which I think is very interesting because I've never seen this done on another sneaker, be it from Nike or any other brand. Under the shoe, you have the traditional Jordan 15 outsole. The most insane part, though, about this release is not that there are some pairs signed by Matthew McConaughey and some of the other crew members, as well as Tinker Hatfield, but the crazy packaging that came with these sneakers. This box comes with gold foil details. As you can see here, you have the Kubo 15 branding done on the top of the box, following around to the front of the box. Now, this is where you'll find your size tag, also printed in a gold foil. You have a coiled gold rope that's used to open the box. Where it gets really interesting are the sides of the box. Here, you can see the struggle between the two clans of the film hidden inside the shelf-style box. In this shelf-style box, you reveal a beautiful satin dust bag, done in both a blue for the bad guys and red for the good guys. Satin material, rope drawstring, beautiful dust bag. I never use dust bags, but this is one of the most beautiful details to come with a sneaker packaging that I've ever seen. This even beats Balenciaga packaging by far. And that's about it for the packaging. Oof. What was that noise? I'm gonna put this guy back up here. I'm extremely fortunate to have found these sneakers with an affordable price exactly in my size, and I was able to scoop these guys up. I'm super happy to add them to the family of Nike and Laika sneakers in the wall behind me. And all I'm missing are the Paranorman foam posits in a size 10.5, maybe 11, maybe 10. Flexible on that. If you guys have one with an affordable price, holler at your boy. I'm looking to complete the set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're one of the first ones to know as soon as I drop another video with some heat like this. With that said, remember you guys, wear your kicks, take care of them. Have a great day, you guys. Peace.